How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to go over the new ticker symbol for DWAC, and that is DJT. And I had the 15-minute chart right here, so you're just kind of looking at real-time data of it going up drastically. And this is amazing. I totally love this, and I support all of this. This is freaking awesome for the Bulls right here, and it's just great to see. But I want to show you guys exactly where you should be taking your profit, exactly when you should be getting in your entries, and what my system tells me, because I'm using no bias. I'm going to do exactly what my system tells me. That is a very unique strategy that I have developed for over 6 years and has been made consistently profitable on my swing trading that I do. But before I get right into it, do keep in mind I have a reversal trading Discord. If you do want extra help, it's only $6 a month. I give my exact trade alerts that have an over 95% win rate. So check out the link below into the YouTube comment section and description. You'll see that. Let's get into what you guys want to see. I love going to daily chart because this is going to give you the bigger picture of what is happening to DJT, Trump media, and technology. So right in here, it tells you a lot. I love swing trading and I love catching those reversals, but a lot of people are like, I don't know how to catch tops and I don't know when to buy bottoms. I just randomly, buy levels and hope it works. It's you'll lose a lot of money if you do that, and you'll be bag holding. You'll be very emotionally stressed. You don't want that. What you're seeing here is three bands. You have the upper band is the sell zone, the lower band is your buy zone. I color correlated it correctly to what you want to see, and then the middle band is the most important. That is where price has to go back to. As you can see, price is magneted to it, and when price goes up, it does go up with price, but it is going to keep repeatedly testing it. We had a big move here. As you can see, when we go down, we're testing it. All these gaps right here of not getting touched will get filled, and there is a time frame that you see, like within over 1 month, is pretty long. Like right in here, you see a long gap, and then it fills it instantly right in here, right? So I want to show you guys some buy zones, and then I just want to show you guys the history of this strat. So right in here, we have a time zone of 8:25 hitting the middle band, and we touch it. I count this one as a touch since it's close. 10:03, 9:25. It's like little over a month, and then we for sure touch it right in here. But what you see is when you get close to this bottom band with some time distance, price tends to go your way drastically. And what you do is you put a stop loss right above, right when you get under here, and you try to ride as much as it up and adjust it, and then you'll get stopped out somewhere right in here, and then you ride it again. Sorry, little pause. And then you ride it again right at this bottom band here. So as you can see, another touch, but then you're like, okay, we haven't hit the middle band in a while, for sure. And then right in here is that touch right in here, for sure, right there. So this will give you accurate buy entries, especially for companies that you want to hold for a little bit and swing trade. That's the main thing. If you're like, I just want to hold this thing for a little bit, this is where you can get some nice entries. Now, you guys want to see, obviously, this is the scary part. When price goes above the red band, just like a little like this, it tends to sell off. But if there's a long wick like this, that is very scary for the bulls, and it sells off, and guess where it goes? Right to this middle band. I'm using no bias, just using my system that tells me where the reversals are. That way you can kind of see a better picture. And I wanted to make this video in real time so that if people are in this, look at where we're at right now, guys. We had the daily candle up above the upper band, and when it did, it sold off, for a bit. Yes, it could go right back up, but I want to show you guys a weekly here. This is what I love looking at. This is the weekly candle. When you go in bigger time frames, the more significant they are. As you can see, even on the weekly, we are filling those middle band touches. They take a whole lot longer, so I don't really look at those. The monthly, anything over a month, is a long touch. Right in here, we have the middle band not being touched, and it fills it. But look at if the weekly ever goes above the upper band. That is very scary for the bulls, and honestly, you should short it or buy puts just to make some nice gains on that, right? This is where we're at right now. We're at the weekly, almost touching it, so that's, pretty getting onto that oversold or overbought territory. What you want to see, too, is a very high K. We aren't at a very high K compared to this one right here. 76, 77. We are at 67, so there is more room to go up, in my opinion. I would not be looking to short it, but I definitely would not be looking to buy this either. Because a lot of this stuff, honestly, news will wreck any chart. What you saw right here was a massive, the news rally of hype. So we went beyond the ATR levels. But it's very painful for shorts, but then again, the shorts will win eventually. But they have to experience a lot of pain right in here. So timing the exact top is very, very hard when there is news related. So that's why you look for a nice daily well above the upper band with the weekly and daily all coordinated with a high KDJ. There's a lot of things to look at, and plus a time distance. I want to see more time distance than this, because more often than not, it's not just going to plummet and hit the middle band right away. Usually it don't do that, more often than not. Usually you'll see this right here. You go up, and then you have this nice middle band range, and then you fill it right in here. So, you hit it at 112, and then you hit it right here at 213. It was like a month of time frame. That is close enough right in there, and then you get the for sure touch right in here and here. But that's what I'm saying is right there is where you want to look for your sell zones, and you don't want to be buying up in this region. I just want to make this video because it is real time, and a lot of people are getting hyped. Do not let the hype get you to buying, overbuying, and look at no bias system right here. This is reversals. When you're looking at something like this where even if this goes up, we're selling off. Even then when this goes up, we're selling off. It's just part of the algos. The algos are going to control this thing, and this gives us a visual representation of what actually is going on. But I could see too, just with my blind eye, looks like we are, this is a nice area to break out right here. I could easily see a retest and go. That is a very typical pattern right there. You get a breakout, a retest to the prior level of the high, and then breakout. But either way, you would not want to buy up in this region because of all the risk. That is my honest opinion, and I think right here, I don't want bulls to get a little too overhyped into what they're seeing, because yes, I do love to support this company. Don't get me wrong, but I also want to buy. I don't want to lose money when the algos will kill me. If you guys want to see, join a premium Discord where you find reversals just like this, and I showed you buy zones, and now I'm showing you it's at a sell zone, and the buy zones are at near this green band with time distance. Join the premium Discord. I will show you plays that I am personally in, where you can look at my trade alerts, and you can look at my setup video if you want to learn the system, instead of looking, at a blind chart and not really seeing where these massive reversals are, because this is what these settings are. They are showing you massive reversal potentials. It doesn't mean it's going to work all the time, but it gives you an idea of what's happening. Because right in here, there's a very, very high chance of this going down big time. So you could buy months, puts 3 months out to be safe and keep accumulating, because it can't sustain this move. But I honestly, I'm not saying I'm shorting this at all, though. I'm not buying puts at all. I would like to look for a candle like this right here. Do keep that in mind. But the one thing that I am scared for you guys is the weekly. This is very intimidating since it is close to the upper band, and you can see it's kind of selling off. But if you want to join a premium Discord, it's only $6 a month. I made it so cheap that any account can profit on this. $6 is not a lot. I've been in Discords that charge hundreds of dollars, and they don't give me entries and exits. They just give me a watch list, and they say one of these stocks are going to go up big, and that is it. So you get a setup video, you get my trade alerts, and then you get a premium chat of where everyone is in the Discord. And you get plenty of people to talk to. It is a great community. We're over 1,000 members, and I'm sure you're going to love it for only $6. And what happens is, if you go down below, go to my YouTube comments, I'll pin it, and it'll say, join the premium Discord for the best trades. And what will happen is, when you click on that link down to my YouTube comments and description, it'll take you to this landing page on Discord for a free chat. Does not mean you're in it. All you have to do is go to the subscription tab up in here and click on any of these channels that are locked for you. Premium chat, if you click on it, it will opt you to subscribe for only $6. Cancel anytime if you don't like it. But I am here to make you guys lots of money, and I will do that for you guys. Also, guys, if you like this content and you see a visual explanation of what's happening with it's not DWAC anymore, but DJT, And as you can see, it is selling off right now because it can't sustain that. Give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think. Any type of engagement really helps my YouTube channel get shared to other people. So I really appreciate if you give it a like. And then the most important thing is join the premium Discord and let's make some money together, guys. Peace out.